Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to install the software Scratch, the software where we are going to perform our programming. We are going to start our programming. So let's get started. I'm opening my browser. I'm using the Mozilla Firefox. So I will type Scratch download. Okay. Here I can see multiple websites. So I will select this up to down file. I will share the link of this website in my description. Okay, here now I can see this window. It is giving me the complete description of software. Okay, so so here I am going to click on this latest version, which is 3.29.1. When I click this button, I got the screen like this. Okay, so here these are the some system specifications and the size of file language. So here I will click on the download, which is 161.25 MB free file. So I clicked on this and now you can see this tab which is showing it is getting downloaded. So I'll meet you when the download gets complete. Okay, so now here we can see that our file is completed. So let me open the file. Here I'm going to double check the file. Now here I can see that install. The file is being installed. Now here I can see this tab completing Scratch 3 setup. So run Scratch or no. I am clicking on the run Scratch 3 and I will finish my setup. Here you can see the welcoming window of Scratch. This is the interface of Scratch software. For today, that is, and in our next class we will discuss this software. Till then, try to install the software in your laptop. See you in the next class. Goodbye.